What is outliner in Maya? By the end of this lesson, you will understand clearly what is this, what are all these things, and what are the different options and how to access all these options, and why outliner is very important in our workflow. As the name indicates, outliner lists out all the objects present in the scene in an outline form. Sometimes it is not possible to see some objects in the viewport when they are hidden. For example, like this 0, they are hidden. Now they are not visible in the viewport, but that does not mean they are not present. They are there, but they are hidden. But how to access them? From the outliner. This outliner can be accessed from Windows outliner and also from here, from the side, from the toolbox. You can dock it here. You can, just like any other window, you can dock and undock. See this, when you see it is showing with different colors. This is the menu, what objects to see, what to be active and what to be not present, not to be shown by default, like that. Show objects. For example, if you want to see only polygon objects, now it is showing only polygon objects. No cameras, no lights, nothing. If you want to see only cameras, and if you don't want to see objects, see, these are the cameras, by default cameras: perspective, top, front, side, camera 1, camera 2. These are the default, these are created and these are default cameras. You can only see cameras. Imagine when you are working with complex projects, they will have a lot of lights, lot of cameras, lot of polygon objects and many other objects. Then you can filter like this. This is like filtering. Clear below, you can see all. And if you want to see even the inner nodes, see, when I disable this, it is showing much more number of nodes. When I activate this, it is showing little bit less. You can select from here even though they are disabled. Visibility off. Now click one that came. Select all and click one. And even torus 1. Like this, we can select from the outliner. Outliner is these are curves. It lists out everything: geometrical objects, curves, cameras, lights, and all the default objects, default properties, everything. So outliner is we use it almost daily, and in every moment we use outliner when you are working in Maya. I hope you will also use when you are working in your Maya scenes.